Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation addresses DTC U1281, which signifies that the climate control unit has lost communication with the MyQ, or body control module, in the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models. The body control module is crucial because it serves as the central hub for various electronic functions in the vehicle, coordinating signals between multiple components, including the climate control unit. Understanding this error is essential for maintaining optimal vehicle performance, particularly regarding passenger comfort through climate control. The DTC indicator number 91 alerts the technician that a specific communication failure has been detected. Consequently, resolving this issue typically involves checking the connections and wiring associated with both the climate control unit and the body control module to establish whether they are functioning correctly. This detailed analysis will help ensure that all climate-related functions operate seamlessly and ensure a comfortable driving experience. DTC U1281 indicates a malfunction in the climate control unit's ability to communicate with the body control module, MyQ. The climate control unit is responsible for regulating the vehicle's heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. If it fails to receive data from the body control module, it will store this DTC as an alert to the driver and technicians. The body control module, located typically beneath the dashboard, controls numerous electronic systems, acting as the intermediary for relevant signals and data. This module is essential for power management, assisting in ensuring that each component functions correctly. The loss of communication could result from a power supply failure, ground circuit failure, or something more complicated within the network communications architecture of the vehicle. Correctly identifying the malfunction is crucial for effectively resolving the stated issue. Several potential causes can lead to DTC U1281. First, the power circuit failure can occur if there's an interruption in electrical flow to the body control module. This may result from a blown fuse or a faulty connection. Second, a ground circuit issue can also lead to communication breakdowns. If the body control module doesn't have a solid ground connection, it can throw off the functioning of the climate control unit. Third, a communication fault between the two modules could arise from damaged wiring or corroded connectors, impairing their ability to send and receive data accurately. Each cause can contribute to the same error, emphasizing the importance of a thorough inspection of all relevant circuits and connections. Identifying and addressing these issues will restore normal communication and ensure full operation of the climate control features. Several symptoms may present when DTC U1281 is triggered. The most noticeable symptom is the inoperativeness of the climate control unit. Drivers may find that they cannot adjust the temperature settings inside the vehicle, rendering the system effectively useless for passenger comfort. Error messages may appear on the dashboard display, indicating issues with the climate control system, creating confusion and concern for the driver. In some cases, the unit may respond intermittently, further complicating the situation and leading to an unpredictable driving experience. Other symptoms could include lack of airflow or a sudden change in temperature without user input. Recognizing these symptoms early can help drivers and technicians effectively address the underlying issues before they escalate. The first step in troubleshooting DTC U1281 requires turning the vehicle to the on mode. This action activates the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine, allowing diagnostics to be performed. After setting the vehicle to on, technicians need to wait for at least 6 seconds to allow all systems to initialize properly. This waiting period is crucial as it ensures that both the climate control unit and the body control module have time to establish their communication protocols. Following this step illuminates whether the fault persists or resolves itself, providing a clearer understanding of the underlying issue. This preliminary action sets the stage for further diagnostics and evaluations of the system. Final repair verification is a critical step after any adjustments made to resolve DTC U1281. Once repairs are completed, it's essential to check for any additional diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, that may signify unresolved issues. This involves using a diagnostic tool to read the vehicle's computer, confirming whether DTC U1281 has cleared or if new codes have appeared. Additionally, verifying that communications between the climate control unit and the body control module are fully restored is paramount. Technicians should ensure that the climate control system operates correctly post-repair, checking all temperature settings and airflow options to confirm they function as intended. This thorough verification ensures that the issue is truly resolved, maintaining the vehicle's safety and comfort. While not specifically outlined in the provided diagnostic information, preventive maintenance for the issues related to DTC U1281 can significantly mitigate the risk of recurrence. Regular checks on the vehicle's electrical system can help identify potential issues before they manifest as DTCs. Inspecting connectors and wiring associated with the climate control unit and the body control module minimizes risks linked to corrosion or loose connections. Keeping these critical components clean and securely connected ensures consistent communication between modules. Preventive strategies not only extend the lifespan of these components, but also enhance the overall reliability of the vehicle, ensuring the climate control system functions optimally. In conclusion, DTC U1281 highlights the vital importance of communication between the climate control unit and the body control module in the Honda Accord 2023+. Any disruptions in this communication can lead to significant driver inconvenience. Recognizing the symptoms early can enable timely response and resolution to restore functionality. Implementing the effective troubleshooting steps detailed in this presentation, including checking electrical circuits and verifying system function, can resolve the errors encountered. Additionally, engaging in routine preventive maintenance practices can ensure the longevity of these communication pathways and enhance overall vehicle reliability. Understanding and addressing DTCs like U1281 is crucial for optimal operation of modern vehicles. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.